Welcome to the in front of me POCO C40, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. First, let's open the settings application, and after that we should scroll to the sounds and vibration section. Then you'll see here notifications, ringtone and alarm sections. We can change them just by select one from this section, and after that we should select the one from the sounds which we'll like. Here we can see the media, ringtone and alarm volume panels. We can change them just by hold and swipe to the left or to the right side these volume panels. By this way, we can here use the sound assistant to adjust the media sound in multiple apps. Also, we can use the multiple audio sources just to turn on and turn off these options. We should click on the switchers. We can here see also the silent mode switcher. We can turn it on and turn it off. We can also silence media in silent mode if you want. We can turn on and turn off the don't disturb mode. We can just set a schedule time, the start and the end time of the don't disturb. We can use the don't disturb when the device is locked, and to notify about the calls from anyone, contacts, or just selected contacts. Also, we can in don't disturb mode to notify about repeated calls. We can turn on and turn off the vibration in ring or silent mode, and we can change the vibration on top. We can turn it off. We can set the light, medium or strong level of the vibration, and in additional settings we can see here the dial pad sounds, tap sounds, just lock and lock sound, the screenshot sounds, uninstalling, deleting items, charger connection sounds, startup sounds. So we can turn on or turn off all of these options just by click on each of these switchers. And if you wanna just also use here the sounds effects, you can change the earphone controls here, and you can okay, so we have here headphones, so you can here customize the sync buttons. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.